in guidebooks or textbook, they will tell you dy dx is equal to v square v du dx minus u dv dx. Okay, but I like words, so I say, oh, actually dy dx, instead of u and v, we use top and bottom. So I say, oh, actually it is bottom square. Copy which one first? Copy bottom. You have to copy bottom first. Okay, then what do? Differentiate the top. Okay, then what do? Minus the other way around. So copy the top, differentiate the bottom.
If you are better for the other one,
then my question is, if I use product rule, I bring the bottom up, that becomes power minus 1. Can I do product rule? Yes, go ahead. But later when you factorize, make sure you factorize correctly. That's all. Okay? Shall we try this together? Let's start. So I like to do part by part again, part by part. So cannot let top be this. So no choice, I gotta let u be 4x plus 5. Let v be 3x squared plus 7. Now, next I want to differentiate individually. Now let's start. Du dx equals what? Very simple, right? This one? 4. Just 4. What about dv dx? 6x. So I have, this is the copy, this is the original top, differentiate top. Original bottom, differentiate bottom. Alright, let's piece everything together. So I write dy dx equal, draw a long thing, put there bottom square. So which one do I copy? 3x square or 4x? Which one do I copy? 3x square plus 7 whole thing square. Alright, so this is the copy bottom square. Now, this bottom, this thing is always where many of you do careless mistake. You all always try to copy top first. Wrong, cannot. You must copy bottom first. So I copy bottom. 3x squared plus 7. Differentiate top. What is the answer for top? 4 only, right? It's just a 4. Then I minus. Then now I copy the top. 4x plus 5, Ryan. Then I copy differentiate the bottom. Unfortunately, there's no simplification here because there's nothing you can do here. No, you need to of course expand and then simplify. So there's one more step. So the bottom one, do you need to expand? Answer is no, just leave it. But this one, then you will tell me 12x squared plus 28, 24x squared minus 30x. Right, the minus is the one that always kills students, so you need to be careful. Then after that, from here, then you simplify the x squared, and then you try to factorize it. See whether you can factorize or not. If cannot. Can, then can. Okay. So for this question 12, this is the question. So first I start by writing the top, differentiate the top, write the bottom, differentiate the bottom. Also want to note that you want to first expand in as a simplified one, change the square root to power minus half. Now let's continue. What do I write at the bottom? I copy or differentiate? Copy the bottom. So I will write 2x minus 1 half squared. Yeah, it's just 2x minus 1, right? The square and the half later will tackle each other. Kingly, go and wash your face, please.
So if it's like that, right?
It's just one. It's just one. It's just one.
It's just times.
Yeah, it's just multiply. So I copy the bottom. Which one is the bottom? Maybe now I have 4 things. Do you see I have 4 things? I box out the 4 things for you. I have this. I have this. I have this. I have this. So do you see that this is the top? This is the top. This is the differentiate top. This is the bottom. This is the differentiate bottom, right? So what do I copy first? I copy what? Bottom. So I write down 2x minus 1 half. Then what do I do next? Zoom in and bring up. Bring up. Okay. Zoom in and bring up. Okay, so I have copy bottom, differentiate top. It's just a 2. Thank you. Then I minus. What do I do now? Copy top. So I write down 2 bracket x plus 3. Then what do I do? Differentiate bottom. Now there are 2. I'm not talking to myself. So all of you are listening. Now I have 2 tray here. Now I want to try and factorize out. Now what do I take out? Can you help me? 2x minus 1 power negative half. Now what is left in the first bracket? This is power half. The first one is power half. So I will have a 2x minus 1 but what is the power? 1. Is it a 1? I try. If this power is 1, sit down. If this power is
it's minus 3.
Someone help with the door. Okay. Okay, let's start now. This power is minus half. This power is minus half. If this power is 1, then 1 minus half will give you the half. Can follow? Now there's a 2 here, there's a 2 here. Do I take out the 2? Again, there's a 2 here, there's a 2 here. Do I take out the 2? Yes, Then after that, there's nothing here. Over the second tray, there's a minus. I took out the 2. I took out the 2x minus 1 power half, negative half. I took out already. So left x plus 3. Now, can you help me to settle these 2 underlying things? What will happen if I have minus half, 2x minus half to the power minus half? I have 2x minus 1. Can I bring down? When I bring down, it becomes plus half. So then this one will be just 2x minus 1, 3 over 2. So this is the combined. Do you follow so far? Again,
Just the 2 don't come down, right?
the 2 remain on top. Okay, why do I even want to bring the minus half down? Because this is like a minus half over a. This is like a. This is like a minus half over a. How do I simplify this? It's the same as a half. A1. Do you see what I'm writing? Again. This is a minus half over a1. I can bring down the a half and become 1 over a half a1. And if the base is the same, what do I do to the power? And plus together. So then this will be 1 over A, 3 over 2. Do you follow? So the blue one is settled. Now, I copy what is left. This is 2. Huh? This one. No, this is 1. This was 1. Was 1 because when I combine these two together, it will become power 3 over 2. How do I get that? Go over here again. A to the power of minus half. Divide by A power 1. I bring the minus half downwards, it will become positive half. I combine the 2, it will be negative 3 over 2. Huh? Yeah, 13 as well. Now, wait. So on top, 2x minus x, left x. Minus 1 minus 3, minus 4. 2x minus x, x what? Minus 1 minus 3, 4, minus 4. Follow? Now, look at the question. The question says, express dy dx in this form. So is it the answer already? Go back to the footstep. Is it the answer already? Look at the question. Look at the question. This is cube, this is square root. This is just cube, 3 over 2. So you will change this back to cube and then square root. Follow? So just write one final step. Equal 2x minus 4 square 2x minus 1 cube. Alternative method of factorizing this. Okay, let's start. First, help me. A plus B over C. What happens if I split the fraction? A over C plus B over C. Now, help me write dy dx. Now, look at this. This is one item. This is another item. This is the denominator. Can I split this? Can. So I write down the split. Okay, I write down. Okay, never mind. I want to save the video. Now, thank you. Now, let's look at this split fraction. Now, can you see that you can actually start to simplify this? Now, let's see what I mean. I have 2x minus 1 half. 2x minus 1. Can I combine this together? Like I shift this down. Cancel. Okay, if I... Wow, that's difficult. Okay, cancel. If I cancel, what's the answer? Yeah, they are the same base. So this is like a half divided by a power 1. If I cancel, what is this power? Huh? Half. Do you see it's half? Can you see? Can. Okay, I try. So this is something like a half over a1. So 1 over a minus half a1. So this is a half. Okay, so this is cancel, this is half. Now, what about this one? This is minus half, this is 1. If I bring down, it will be cancel, this one will be 3 over 2. Then I want to group these two together. Wow, difficult.
You combine first, then you.
This is 12, this is 302.
Good job. Combine.
Forget it.
Okay.
Forget it.